Hello Facebook people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to talk about your Facebook Ads Manager results, if they are real, and about statistical modeling. No, your results are not real, and yes, Facebook is admitting that it's not showing you real results on the Ads Manager. But what do I mean with that? What is the statistical modeling? Let's go into my PC, let me show you what I mean, and we're going to discuss it then. Hi guys, I would like to interrupt this video in order to talk to you about my new mentorship programs, and I would love if you go to the website. You're going to find the link in the description, or you can find it in the menu of my website, and over there you're going to be able to see the different mentorship programs that I have. You can find the one that's going to fit better your needs, and I will hope to see you there. So in this account, let's see, if you hover over here, you're going to see that it says these results may not include all conversion data. Statistical modeling may be used to provide more complete measurement when conversions data may be missing or partial. If we click learn more and we want to hear more about this, it says more complete reported results. Modeling for campaign measurement helps you see a more complete view of results by estimating conversions where data may be missing or partial, helping you understand the value of your marketing investments on meta technologies. Now, from my experience in smaller ad accounts where they don't have volume, you're not going to see a lot of statistical modeling and stuff. Basically, it's not going to look like Facebook is doing it. In other words, what I'm trying to say is that it's not so obvious because the results are always less. It's not like we're having a problem when Meta is showing more. So the statistical modeling, I think it's programmed in a way that it's just going to replenish a little bit of how your results should be. So it's trying to understand, okay, in reality you're getting 4 ROAS, but we think that you got around 6 ROAS, for example, for the results that you are seeing. Okay, better optimization. Modeling for delivery allows our system to learn more from representative data and eventually drive better outcomes. What does this mean? That they are putting more data which believe that they actually converted. Why? Because they want more people to convert, because they are going to have more data. What was I telling you back in the day, that you should not exclude past customers because it's still data and Facebook needs more data in order to optimize? At the end of the day, it's more data. This is what statistical modeling is doing anyway. They are taking more data and they predict that some of the people that, even if it hasn't been reported, they have converted, in order to find more people. What's the problem that we have after Hyros? Not only that we target less people, but the fact that we target less people, it means that we have less data coming within the platform. So it means that we have much more weaker optimizations with less data. Because its users' ad interactions vary depending on factors such as browser, device, demographics, and ad creative, our models are dynamic and adaptable. We also use different models depending on the conversion you are trying to measure. Okay, and how meta conversion modeling works. We model conversions for missing or partial data. So if it has partial data, it says maybe it's going to complete or not based on the behavior that this person had. We also use model reporting for distributing reported conversions. We validate our models based on ground truth data to improve their quality and completeness. Okay, so it says we continue to validate, calibrate, and refine our models to enable stronger, blah, blah, general things. So what do we understand from all of that? We do understand that Meta is predicting some results. The results that we see inside here is not the actual reported results, but Meta is predicting that these are the results. From my experience, it's always less reporting, not more reporting. If you have guys more reporting, that means that you're either double reporting or something and you have to fix it. Most of the times, what we see within the ads manager is less. But keep in mind with what we're discussing today, that it's even less from what we see. Because the statistical modeling, it's adding on top of that more and more, which is helping you to get more data, which is why I was always telling you that you should not exclude any data even coming, or even when you inflate your results with the promos and stuff, and we have videos proving that you can do that in order to save your campaigns on your ad account, and then the results continue doing well. All of these different things are coming from the fact that Meta is already doing it, but if you do it with real data, it's even stronger, because Meta is actually guessing. Now, it's a strong algorithm, and Obviously it's guessing properly, but you get my point. I'm not showing you this in order for you to panic and say that now my results are not the results that they're real and stuff. There are tools that you can verify your results, like Triple Whale and other tools that you can use. Okay, I have to mention more tools so that doesn't look like I'm doing an advertisement. Wikit Reports, Hyros, you have Northbeam, Elevar. So in my try to actually say all of the brands so that nobody would feel like I'm doing an advertisement to one specific, I was saying that now you should not feel discouraged and actually say that, okay, my reporting is not correct. We know it already that it's not correct. We know that it's always less reporting. That's why you can use all of these tools in order for you to be able to have a better picture. What am I always telling you? That over here, what we need to see is a correlation between what we see on the ads manager and the reality. At the end of the day, you're going to evaluate your results based on what is happening into your bank. If your bank is losing money every month, you're not going to start saying that just because you see, for example, 5 ROAS and your break-even is 2, that your ads are doing really well. You're going to start questioning if this reporting is correct. And based on reality and based on what you see on the ads manager, you can just see what kind of results you need to see within the ads manager in order for you to reach the results that you want in reality. That being said, I would like to tell you that the only reason that I'm showing you this is because I want you to understand about statistical modeling and how it works. First of all, because you need to know. Secondly, because you need to understand that Meta really wants more data. It's the things that I'm saying to you in many other videos, that Meta really wants more data. After iOS, they lost data, they want to have more data. That's why they have also the shop ads, because they're trying to make people complete the orders within the shops so that they're not going to leave the platform and then they have to gather information from websites with pixels, APIs and all of that. So they're keeping the data within the platform with the shops. They're trying to do all of these things in order to keep the data. The data are important because Facebook is a platform with consistent sales. So it gets one sale, then another sale, another sale. So the more data that you have inside, the more you're going to optimize better. That's why we see brands back in the day having $5 cost per purchase and being able to sell items for $30. They were having more data within the platform. They were able to sustain these kind of numbers. On this battle over here, we need to understand how the algorithm is working and use it in our advance. That's why I'm telling you, and I have made a video, as I said earlier, that you can inflate your results with a promo, and then the results are going to help you stay inside the ad account and inside the business, and the business manager, and you're going to have better results in the long term just because you inflated results with a promo, not just to see it having better results within the ads manager, but just because you put more data inside. So Facebook, even if it's stealing sales from email marketing, SMS, if it's using it for data to find other people, that's good. That's why you don't exclude people as past customers, because even these people are data that Meta is going to use in order to find new people. Okay, so now that you know now that you can understand more how you can use this into your advantage, how you understand more how the algorithm, of course, is working and why it's important for you to bring as many data as you can. Of course, the only way to bring as many is one way is actually the budget that you're spending, but the other way is things like that, to understand how you're going to use it into your advantage. Don't forget that if you want to learn more, you can check my book, my course, my website. You can check also my mentorship programs, and below the testimonials about the mentorship programs. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent.